Hello. Today, digital learning has become more prevalent than ever before. The convenience and accessibility of online education have brought countless opportunities for students around the world. However, with this new landscape comes a unique challenge. How do we unleash leadership potential in digital learning? Leadership is a vital skill that empowers individuals to make a difference, to inspire and motivate others, and to drive positive change. In a traditional classroom setting, leadership development often occurs naturally through face-to-face interactions and group projects. But in the online world, it is easy to become disconnected and isolated. So how can we bridge this gap? How can we ensure that students in the digital learning environment have the opportunity to develop their leadership skills? The answer lies in creating intentional and immersive online experiences that foster collaboration and critical thinking and problem solving. So one way to achieve this is through virtual team projects and by assigning students to work together on a common goal. We can replicate the dynamics of a traditional classroom and provide a platform for leadership to emerge. Through virtual discussions, video conferences, and shared platforms, students can learn the importance of communication and delegation and teamwork. Other approach is to incorporate leadership-focused modules into online courses. And by providing students with resources, case studies, and interactive stimulations, we can cultivate their leadership abilities and help them to apply these skills in real-world contexts. Additionally, mentorship programs can play a crucial role in developing leadership potential. Connecting students with experienced professionals in their field of interest can provide guidance, inspiration, and practical advice. So this mentorship relationship can empower students to take ownership of their educational journey and develop the confidence needed to become effective leaders. In conclusion, while digital learning presents a unique challenge to leadership development, it also offers a great potential. So by creating immersive online experiences, incorporating leadership-focused modules, and establishing mentorship programs, we can unleash the leadership potential within every student. And we have embraced this new way of online education with our MBA Online combined with coaching and also the business mentorship program for interaction with other online students who wants to upgrade their leadership style in times of change and much more. And we have our 20 years experience within business from real life that we contribute with and in times of change. So visit our website for more information and sign up for immediate access. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring educational content about the changing landscape of business. Welcome. Bye. We have both the MBA educations and the business mentorship program, where we are with you for 1 year with more time in real life online in the mentorship program, since that is the longer option. So check out our options on the website and sign up for immediate access. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you found this video insightful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more informative content about our online MBAs and mentorship program, and the most important part about the future of business. Have a great day. Bye.